This is going to be my entry for Georgia Jim's 1000 subs giveaway. Congratulations, man. You're an awesome picker. Some of the stuff you pick on your channel is absolutely crazy. So for it, he just said to pick a lock, any pin count, anything like that. So I picked this Dom Sigma Plus. I like this lock. It's an interesting lock. It's not the hardest lock to get open, but it's weird. Sorry about the camera shake. I had to break out my old tripod for this. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something on 6. Maybe a little movement on the core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and then 2 opened it up. Yeah, it's strange. It doesn't give you any feedback until it opens. But yeah, that's the Dom Sigma Plus, and this is my entry into Georgia Jim's 1000 subscriber giveaway. Again, congratulations, man. Well worth it.